Welcome to another Nexogy video. Today we'll show you how to use the Officeline Pro application. Officeline Pro is Nexogy's soft phone application, an app that allows you to carry the functionalities of your office phone right on your smartphone. We'll use an iPhone during the demo, but the experience on Android devices is exactly the same. Now let's install Officeline Pro on your mobile device. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS, and search for Officeline Pro. Both the Officeline and Officeline Pro apps will show up on your search results. Now let's install Officeline Pro by clicking on the download button. Once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and open up the app. You can log in with the same username and password you used to enter Nexogy's web portal, myportal.nexogy.com. When you open up the app for the first time, Officeline Pro will ask you for a few permissions to provide you with the best user experience, such as accessing the contacts on your device for easy calling and texting, as well as sending notifications and alerts. Also working with Siri for voice commands, as well as using your microphone, which is a must to make calls. Once in the app, you have access to every user in your company or organization. This allows you to make internal calls to any extension of your choice. Let's keep in mind that when you make a call using Officeline Pro, your organization's phone number and your extension will appear on caller IDs for both calls and messages. When you tap on a contact, you get the option to send them an email, make a call, or send them a text message. And the chat messaging interface is clean and simple to use. If SMS is enabled for your extension, you will be able to easily send and receive text messages from any mobile number. Chat messages and SMS are displayed as part of the same conversation. Now let's go back and show you how to dial a number with the keypad. Press the Contacts tab on the bottom right, then hit the yellow dial pad button on the right, and now you'll be able to make a call by dialing. On the top center of the screen, you'll find a search box to quickly find anyone on your contact list, with 4 handy filtering options: first name, last name, extension, and online. Now by hitting the plus button on the top right, you can add a new contact to Officeline Pro. Just enter the info like you would on your regular phone. Your voicemails are located on the Voicemail tab at the bottom of the screen. Just press the tape icon and your messages will appear here if you have any. Here you can chat with other users. The Call History tab will display your most recent calls. And by pressing the bottom right corner, you can define other settings, such as your answering rules, greetings, and other device settings like whether or not you want to use mobile data when using Officeline Pro. Now let's talk about answering rules. Here you can enable or disable the answering rules which have been previously defined in the managing portal for your extension. In this case, Officeline Pro is set to ring on all of the user's phones at the same time. If a call is left unanswered, it will be forwarded to this extension. And if the user is offline, the call is forwarded to this other extension. These rules can be enabled or disabled by pressing the button on the top right. Now let's take a look at greetings. We have a greeting here. We can listen to it or we can delete it. But to record a new message, let's go to greetings and add a new recording. Let's hit the plus button on the top right. Type a new name for your message and record straight from your phone. And when you're done, hit the stop button. From here, you can try another take by hitting the redo button, or if you're happy with the result, it's safe to save your message. We hope you've enjoyed our Officeline Pro tutorial. If you have any additional questions, reach out to our support team by dialing 611 from your Nexogy extension or calling 1-866-NEXOGY1.